Breaking down the planning schedule, pre-event phase. The contents will be introduction, significance of pre-event phase, components of the pre-event planning schedule, crafting the concept, marketing and promotion, logistics preparation, team coordination and training, challenges and conclusion. Introduction. The art of event planning is a meticulous process that involves careful orchestration of various elements to create memorable experiences. At the core of this process lies the planning schedule, a dynamic tool that provides a roadmap for success. In this academic exploration, we will delve into the intricacies of breaking down the planning schedule, focusing specifically on the pre-event phase. This crucial stage lays the foundation for a successful event, encompassing tasks ranging from conceptualization to initial preparations. The pre-event phase, in particular, plays a crucial role in laying the groundwork for a successful gathering. Let's delve into the key components that constitute the pre-event phase of a planning schedule. Significance of the pre-event phase, preliminary vision and objectives. The pre-event phase sets the stage for the entire event. It begins with a preliminary vision where event planners conceptualize the goals and objectives. This stage is about defining the essence of the event, understanding its purpose, and envisioning the desired outcomes. Conceptualization and goal setting. The pre-event phase begins with conceptualization and goal setting. Event organizers define the purpose, scope, and desired outcomes of the event. Clear and specific goals serve as the guiding principles for subsequent planning steps, aligning efforts towards a common objective. Budget planning. Creating a detailed budget is a fundamental aspect of the pre-event phase. Organizers estimate and allocate financial resources for various components, including venue costs, catering, marketing, and logistics. A well-defined budget ensures that financial considerations are taken into account from the outset. Venue selection and booking. Choosing an appropriate venue is a pivotal pre-event task. Event organizers consider factors such as capacity, location, amenities, and budget constraints. Once a suitable venue is identified, the booking process begins, securing the event's physical space and setting the stage for subsequent logistical arrangements. Vendor coordination. During the pre-event phase, organizers initiate vendor coordination. This involves identifying and contracting with external suppliers such as catering services, audiovisual providers, and decorators. Effective communication and negotiation with vendors ensure that their services align with the event's requirements and standards. Marketing and promotion strategies. The pre-event phase is the opportune time to launch marketing and promotion strategies. Event organizers develop and implement campaigns to generate awareness, attract participants, and build anticipation. Utilizing various channels, including social media, email, and traditional advertising, ensures a comprehensive promotional approach. Emergency preparedness. Proactive planning for emergencies is an integral part of the pre-event phase. Organizers establish emergency protocols, including first aid provisions, evacuation plans, and communication strategies. Anticipating and preparing for unforeseen circumstances contributes to the safety and well-being of the event attendees. Strategic planning initiation. As the first chapter of the planning schedule unfolds, strategic planning takes center stage. It involves identifying key elements such as the target audience, theme, and overall concept. This phase lays the groundwork for subsequent decisions, acting as a strategic initiation into the event planning journey. Breaking down the planning schedule for the pre-event phase involves a meticulous approach to conceptualization, resource allocation, vendor coordination, and logistics planning. Each component plays a vital role in setting the stage for a well-organized, engaging, and successful event. Components of the pre-event planning schedule: clear definition of objectives. A robust pre-event planning schedule begins with a clear definition of objectives. These objectives serve as guiding stars, shaping every decision made during the planning process. Whether it's a corporate conference or a community celebration, the objectives set the tone for the event. Research and market analysis. In the pre-event phase, thorough research and market analysis plays a pivotal role. Event planners delve into the preferences of the target audience, analyze market trends, and study similar events. This research informs decisions about event themes, formats, and unique elements that will captivate attendees. Budget formulation. Budget formulation is a critical component during the pre-event phase. Event planners assess financial resources, allocate budgets to different aspects of the event, and ensure a balance between aspirations and practical constraints. A well-defined budget sets the financial parameters for subsequent planning steps. Venue selection and booking. Choosing the right venue is paramount to event success. During the pre-event phase, the planning schedule involves scouting potential venues, considering logistical aspects, and negotiating contracts. Once a suitable venue is identified, booking it secures a foundational element of the event. Vendor coordination. It is another critical component, involving the identification and contracting of external suppliers, including catering services, audiovisual providers, and decorators. Effective communication and negotiation with vendors ensure that their services align with the event's requirements and standards, contributing to a seamless execution. Speaker and presentation management. It involves extending invitations to speakers, confirming their participation, and coordinating logistics with presenters. Clear guidelines for presentation materials are communicated during this phase to ensure a cohesive and engaging lineup. Proactive planning for emergencies. It is an integral part of the pre-event phase. Organizers establish emergency protocols, including first aid and provisions, evacuation plans, and communication strategies. Anticipating and preparing for unforeseen circumstances contributes to the safety and well-being of event attendees. As the event approaches, organizers conduct final checklists to ensure that all tasks are completed. Rehearsals for key elements, such as presentations and event logistics, are conducted to iron out any potential issues before the actual event. Establishing a mechanism for gathering feedback from participants and stakeholders is essential. Post-event surveys or evaluations contribute to the assessment of the event's success, providing valuable insights for future improvements. Crafting a comprehensive event concept theme development. The pre-event phase is where the event theme takes shape. Event planners brainstorm creative concepts that resonate with the objectives and audience. This thematic development influences every aspect of the event, from decorations to promotional materials, creating a cohesive and engaging experience. Conceptualizing event program. A well-crafted event program is a key deliverable in the pre-event planning schedule. Event planners outline the sequence of activities, including keynote speakers, entertainment, and interactive sessions. The program conceptualization ensures a balanced and engaging flow of events throughout the entire occasion. Collaboration with stakeholders. Engaging stakeholders early in the pre-event phase is fundamental. This collaboration involves discussions with sponsors, vendors, and partners. Clear communication and alignment of expectations during this stage lay the groundwork for successful partnerships that contribute to the event's overall success. Marketing and promotion strategies, development of marketing plan. The pre-event phase is opportune for developing a comprehensive marketing plan. Event planners strategize promotional activities, considering channels such as social media, traditional media, and targeted campaigns. This stage establishes the groundwork for creating buzz and generating interest among the target audience. Creation of promotional materials. Crafting impactful promotional materials is a creative endeavor in the pre-event planning schedule. This includes designing visually appealing posters, invitations, and digital content. These materials are essential tools for communicating the event's theme, creating anticipation, and driving attendance. Build a strong online presence. Optimize your event's online presence by creating a dedicated event website or landing page. Ensure that it provides essential information such as event details, agenda, speakers, and registration instructions. Engage influencers and partners. Collaborate with influencers or industry partners who align with your event. Their endorsement and promotion can significantly expand your reach and credibility. Consider offering them exclusive access or incentives to further incentivize their involvement. Offer early bird discounts or special promotions. Incentivize early registration by offering exclusive discounts or special promotions to those who commit early. Limited time offers can create a sense of urgency and drive early engagement. Ticketing and registration setup. Implementing effective ticketing and registration systems is a logistical task that begins in the pre-event phase. Event planners choose suitable platforms, set ticket prices, and establish registration processes. A seamless registration setup ensures a smooth experience for attendees and facilitates efficient event management. Leverage visuals and multimedia. Use eye-catching visuals such as event posters, infographics, or teaser videos to convey key information and create a memorable visual identity for your event. By incorporating these marketing and promotion strategies during the pre-event planning phase, you can effectively build anticipation, reach your target audience, and ensure a successful turnout for your event. Logistical preparations, vendor coordination. Coordinating with vendors is a logistical aspect that commences in the pre-event phase. Event planners identify and contract with vendors for services such as catering, audiovisual support, and decor. Clear communication and agreements during this stage contribute to a well-organized event execution. Technology and equipment requirements. Assessing technology and equipment needs is crucial during the pre-event phase. Event planners determine requirements for audiovisual equipment, presentation tools, and technology infrastructure. Ensuring that the necessary technology is in place sets the stage for a seamless and technically sound event. Logistical run-throughs. Conducting logistical run-throughs before the event is a strategic pre-event activity. Event planners and key stakeholders rehearse the sequence of events, test equipment, and address potential challenges. This rehearsal phase minimizes surprises on the event day and enhances the overall preparedness of the team. Team coordination and training. Effective team coordination is foundational for achieving shared goals and fostering a collaborative work environment. Clear communication is paramount in ensuring that team members understand their roles and responsibilities. Establishing open channels for dialogue creates an atmosphere where ideas, concerns, and updates can be freely shared. Additionally, defining shared goals and objectives provides a unifying purpose for the team, promoting a sense of cohesion and shared responsibility. Team formation and roles assignment. In the pre-event phase, event planners assemble the event team and assign roles. Clear delineation of responsibilities ensures that each team member understands their role in executing the event. Team formation lays the groundwork for effective collaboration and communication. Training sessions. Training sessions for event staff and volunteers are an integral part of the pre-event planning schedule. These sessions cover event protocols, emergency procedures, and specific tasks. Training ensures that the team is well prepared to handle various scenarios, contributing to a smooth event execution. Team coordination and training are intertwined elements that contribute to a high-performing and adaptable team. Clear communication, shared goals, effective project management, targeted training initiatives, and a culture of continuous learning collectively build a foundation for success in collaborative work environments. Challenges and contingency planning. Teams often encounter various challenges that can impede their progress and effectiveness. One common challenge is communication breakdowns, where ineffective communication can lead to misunderstandings, delays, and a lack of clarity. To address this, teams can implement clear communication protocols, conduct regular check-ins, and leverage communication tools. Additionally, developing contingency plans for addressing communication breakdowns promptly ensures that the team can adapt swiftly to unforeseen challenges. Anticipating challenges. The pre-event phase is an opportune time to anticipate potential challenges. Event planners conduct risk assessments, identifying possible issues related to logistics, technology, or unforeseen circumstances. Anticipating challenges allows for proactive planning and mitigation strategies. Contingency planning. Developing contingency plans is a strategic response to potential challenges. Event planners outline alternative solutions for identified risks, ensuring that the team is prepared to navigate unexpected situations. Contingency planning contributes to the overall resilience of the event. In the face of resource constraints, contingency planning involves conducting comprehensive resource assessments during the project planning phase. Teams should explore alternative resource channels, consider outsourcing specific tasks, and implement cost-effective solutions to optimize resource utilization. By identifying potential resource challenges in advance, teams can develop contingency plans that allow for quick adaptation and flexibility when unexpected constraints arise. Overall, integrating contingency planning into the team's overall strategy is essential for maintaining resilience and adaptability. By acknowledging potential challenges, implementing preventive measures, and establishing contingency plans, teams can navigate uncertainties more effectively and ensure the continued progress and success of their endeavors. Conclusion. Setting the stage for event excellence. The pre-event phase of the planning schedule serves as the foundation for the entire event, laying the groundwork for success through strategic decisions and meticulous preparations. From conceptualizing objectives to coordinating with stakeholders, every aspect of this phase contributes to the overall success of the event. The significance of setting clear objectives cannot be overstated. These objectives act as guiding principles, shaping the trajectory of the event. Whether the goal is to inform, entertain, or celebrate, a well-defined objective provides a compass for decision-making throughout the planning process. Research and market analysis during the pre-event phase offer valuable insights into the preferences of the target audience and current industry trends. This data-driven approach informs the development of themes, concepts, and marketing strategies, ensuring that the event resonates with the intended audience. Budget formulation Another critical component demands a delicate balance between aspirations and financial constraints. The pre-event phase involves a thorough assessment of available resources and the allocation of budgets to different aspects of the event. This careful financial planning sets the stage for subsequent logistical and creative decisions. Venue selection and booking represent key milestones in the pre-event phase. Choosing the right venue is a strategic decision influenced by factors such as accessibility, capacity, and atmosphere. Once secured, the venue becomes the canvas on which the event unfolds, shaping the overall attendee experience. The crafting of a comprehensive event concept is a creative endeavor that defines the soul of the event. Thematic development goes beyond aesthetics. It influences every aspect, from the event program to promotional materials. Conceptualizing the event program ensures a well-paced and engaging sequence of activities, creating a memorable experience for attendees. Collaboration with stakeholders is a cornerstone of successful event planning. Engaging sponsors, vendors, and partners during the pre-event phase fosters relationships built on clear communication and shared objectives. These collaborations contribute to the success of the event, bringing together resources and expertise. Marketing and promotion strategies developed in the pre-event phase are instrumental in generating excitement and interest. A well-thought-out marketing plan, complemented by visually appealing promotional materials, establishes the event in the minds of the target audience. Implementing ticketing and registration systems efficiently contributes to seamless attendee management.